Well, it's been one of those days, I have to say. I know everything's a clutter. You can see we've got smoke and it's puffing, but it's I got too much juice. I got 9, what, almost 8 volts. I don't have. I got to turn it down. I don't have the turner down stuff in there yet. I'm just going right off a battery and chugging using the pulse trigger. Everything I went to do took 3 times as long, but I did find a heater that works. It's a 10 ohm ceramic coated resistor, and I scraped the ceramic coating off so that the coils get hot down on the packing, and there's the oil that gets boiled away. Okay, so it's puffing, and this is at low speed, and it's about 5 volts. But as we start increasing, 2 things happen. We increase the speed of the puff, but we also increase the voltage from the transformer, even though I have to limit the voltage. There you go. So that's at full speed. And then this would be down at the puff and chuff range. If I slow it down a little more. I think you might be able to pick out the puffs. If you heard the sound, you'd know that was a puff. Without a load, this thing freezes, you know, so anyway, oh my God. I had a broken wire in this lead here, and it wasn't working. I was going after the switch was fine. I finally ohmed out this one wire and it was open, so I switched it out, put in a fresh wire, and everything came together just in the last 5 minutes. So anyway, puff and chuff. Well, I better say it's smart smoke. I know this big thing is hanging out. I went through quite a few of those various resistors to get the right value based on the thermistor and the heater and the range that I needed. I had to go back to the buck boost board, which is the red. It boosts low speed, so we're actually getting 5 volts when there's really only about 4 available. That puts a little load on some of the stuff, but nothing's really hot. This guy's warm, but he's not hot. And then as we speed up, I have more airflow, but I have more voltage, so it really balances out. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we've been practicing a little bit. Okay, that's it. Morning glory. I did finish a new print of a smoke housing. I'm getting ready for another customer friend who wants smoke. So this time, since I have all this red, I need to use it. So I made a red one. That'll be fun. See how that turns out. And I've got other customer stuff over here that's getting put together. His kit is complete. He wanted 4 test beds, rolling roads, 4 rolling roads. Amazing. All I have to do is assemble them. This guy, he needs some wheels. I ran out of wheels. I got all the parts printed, but I need wheels, and he wanted some boards I'm going to assemble, and got to order some magnets. Oh boy, what a day! That was a slugfest. Everything needed to be checked and double checked, and retested and tested, and finally, at the 11th hour, I got there. Andy and I are still going to be working on the sounds. We will get that fixed. We know we will. We're just now studying it. So that's it for today. I didn't do much. I just made a mess. It's like I just made messes. My wife comes down and says, "What the hell are you doing down here?" And I said, "Well, I'm trying to fix this." "Well, there's a mess. How can you work in this mess?" "Well, I do. It's okay." Okay. Later, gang.